Hi there, this is Dr. Vince Pankonin at Dr. Big Brain Neurofeedback Center in Perham, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about traumatic brain injury and concussion and neurofeedback therapy. The goal of all neurofeedback therapy is to take abnormal, unhealthy brainwave patterns and help them become more regulated into a healthy and optimal pattern utilizing neurofeedback therapy. We start the process doing what's called a QEEG. So it's a recording of the electrical impulses of the brain with both the eyes closed, and then we repeat that again with the eyes open. This is what we do on our initial visit. We also have you do some online assessments prior to that we correlate together to determine what impact is what shows up on the QEEG and what you live with every day, and is there a correlation with that? When we talk about traumatic brain injury, a lot of people get concussions from various things: sporting events, car accidents, a slip and fall, reaching into a closet and standing up and banging your head on the door frame, whatever it may be. It can happen many different ways. What happens in some cases is that we don't return back to normal as well as we could. Our brainwave pattern can get altered because of the traumatic influence on the brain. So now we may develop poor sleep habits, anxiety, might be having a hard time controlling your emotions. Maybe you get angry real easy or very sad and lead into depression. But this is all new since you had your head injury. So what we do is that QEEG, we can look at your brainwave pattern, so it doesn't matter what caused it. Can we find a dysregulated pattern that we can then correct and help your brain to basically retrain it to work much more efficiently, more like it did prior to your injury. So if you've suffered from a head injury and you feel you are not the same person you once was, it's very much worth checking into neurofeedback therapy. You can check out our website. We have some information about traumatic brain injury on there, drbigbrain.co. You can read some of the testimonials. I've treated lots of people with traumatic brain injury, and you can see how they have done with neurofeedback therapy. You can call us at 218-210-2412, or you can just stop in at our office. We're located in Perham, Minnesota. We're at 3rd Avenue Southeast, or in the Pizza Ranch building, and get some information. You can do a free consultation in person, on the phone, on a Zoom call, whatever works best for you. But find out the information to see if what you're experiencing may be related to that head injury that you had. Maybe it's been 5 years even. I've treated people with long-term injuries that respond very favorably and get their life back again.